Whoa, check out, look what, check out, look what. Whoa, look what we've got for you today, a 69 Z28, numbers matching, frame off restored. Hey, I'm Jay Grams from the Volo Auto Museum. You can visit volocars.com. We have a few hundred cars for sale, all collector cars. This one is for sale as well. If you go on there, you'll find all the specs, pictures top to bottom, pricing. We have financing, we have shipping, lots of ways on our website. You can contact us. We're more than happy to help you. We can walk you through the whole process, answer questions. So visit volocars.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel because we're putting some awesome cars out there, a few cars a day. But let's take this one for a spin right now. Hugger orange, it's sexy, it's slick. I mean, this car looks wet. Just look at the paint, look how the chrome glistens, all the stainless moldings. There's no vinyl top. It's just a hot looking car. Got the spoilers and the exterior trim, the louvers with the rain gutters, stripes. Hot looking car. The body was off the frame during restoration, and we have it documented in the photo album here. With the whole underside stripped down, and I'll be putting some of the pictures on our website, but this will go with the car. It is a VIN number matched M21 4-speed trans. It's VIN number matched motor, and I checked the dates and the codes. They all line up really well, the casting numbers. And it's the original 373 posi rear end too. The interior is completely restored. Close the door so we don't have to hear that key buzzer. It's got the Enduro rubber front bumper. You don't even feel the stripes. I said this car is slick. The glass, everything is just wet looking. Motor compartment, I guess you could say, is over restored. It's a little more glamorous than it would have been originally. Got some gloss paint, some upgrades like an MSD ignition system, different intakes, got some headers. Some aftermarket support bars here. So it's a slightly custom car, but it is still a real Z28 number match. The trim tag has the X77, which is Z28, and the D80, which is the code for the spoilers. I'm going to start it up in a minute for you too. But the whole underneath the car is orange, just like the body, and the chassis is black, and everything's redone. More slick paint, the trunk compartment's all clean. It's got the full console with the gauge package and the tachometer in the dash. Floor mats, has AM FM radio, deluxe wheel, has a clock. The interior looks new from carpet to headliner, everything I'm looking at. The door panels, the steering wheel, the dash pad, the mirror, the visors, it all looks new. Has the GM seat belts in here. Z28's a 302 motor, but don't let that fool you. These things can run. They're made to rev high. Pretty much it's a factory-built race car. Made for Trans Am racing. And this is one slick car. It's got the 15-inch rally wheels. The tire looks a little bit bigger in back, has a little bit of a stance to it. Sounds awesome. Everything fits nice. Got the reproduction floor mats. So there you have it. It's an exciting car. Camaros are extremely popular. This one's super nice condition. It's going to turn heads. You're going to be proud to drive it. It's going to be fun pushing through them gears. And it's still a number matching car. So you've got an investment car here too. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit volocars.com and let us know how we can get you your dream car. Thanks for watching.